morning. We are here today for our last day at the Animal Kingdom. And then we'll be driving to Naples this afternoon, but we're hoping to hit all the rides, including Pandora, Flights of Passage. And it's still Christmas. It's a nice tree though. Anyway, come along with us and we'll have a great day. Yeah, we just got here and it's nuts. I'm not a fan of all these people. So, we'll have a good day though. I'm gonna get Kiki on Everest if it kills me. It's happening. And I got my new hat on. It's so cute. Love it. We'll wear it all the time at home. So we have our morning coffee and we have a fast pass booked for the safari. But we can't bring our coffee, so we're walking through the monkey and the gorilla exhibit right now. And there's baby monkeys. They're so cute. I love the feeding. So well done. Goals.
Get around by leaping through the air, so that tail kind of acts like a rudder for them. They can change direction in
They're not
mid-air.
babies, but they're welcome.
We did have
My name is Joanne. I will be your driver for this safari through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. A couple of quick reminders for you as we're heading out. Please do not heard that hippos sweat blood. That is not true. It's a myth. They have a glandular skin, they exude a sticky pinkish red liquid. All that red colouring is a pigment. There is no blood in it. Quite a few here as well in the water, you see tucked in behind the island. Make sure everyone's sitting down at all times, please. Children sit on a seat or lap is fine, but you need to always be sitting down for the safari. They take part in one of the largest land migrations on the planet. Normally herds of female and young, between 10 and over 1,000 individuals, as well as bachelor herds. It takes a really long time though to grow those 300-pound babies. The mama elephant, she'd have been pregnant for something like 22 months before delivering her beautiful little bundle of joy. Close bond as well, so they won't typically wean until they're somewhere around 4 years old. Those trunks are amazing as well, aren't they? So
now we're doing dinosaur. Tyler and I just did Everest twice in a row, single rider, walked right on. Kayla would not do it and she probably would have died, so it's probably for the best. But now we're going to dinosaur and then we're going to do Primeval World, which is more her speed. You ready, Keek? You like the dinosaurs? It's like that movie, they're nice dinosaurs. And now a coaster that's more Kayla's speed. Primeval Whirl, or as I like to call it, Primeval Hurl. I hate this ride so much. It gives me a whiplash and I feel nauseous. It's not scary, but kids love it, and so does Kayla. So it's about 140-minute wait for Flight of Passage, and this is the last ride we're gonna do today before we get lunch here in Pandora, and then we're gonna drive to Naples. So we were able to do every ride thus far, and then this is the one thing we'll wait 2 hours for. So we got some snacks, I got popcorn and some nuts from Africa, and here we are, we're gonna jump in line. Here's a little fun fact for everybody. If you want to do Flights of Passage, I highly suggest getting a margarita while you wait in line, because if you get stuck between the wrong people, it's not fun. Well, I don't know if you can really see it, but we're about an hour in. It's fine. Almost there. Not too bad. He's cool. I really still don't know how they do that. So close. Y'all ready for this? Let's do it.
An amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. you've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
We're all clear.
Great.
Yummy. That concludes our day at Disney, and now we are going to get out of the parks and start driving to Naples for the second half of my more relaxing side of vacation. So thanks for coming along with us.